You're up.
Good morning. It's all clear out here now. And it's beautiful. It's bloody beautiful. How good. It's pretty chilly, pretty fresh, but clear skies. You cannot beat some clear skies in a place like this. How exciting. How bloody exciting. I'm so excited for today. Like every other day, today's going to be great. I just know it. So Uncle said to us last night that now we should be getting out of the tree line, so we should be just clear views, and that's what I'm so excited for. I'm itching for it. I'm very excited. Very excited. It's gonna be so bloody good. Yeah. Yippee! Yippee!
Hey, little bud. Little shaggy fella. Who are you? Aren't you pretty? Pretty little guy. We just started walking for about 5 minutes into it. Bloody chilly when you're out of the sun. Like right now, frozen. As soon as the sun is hitting your skin though, beautiful. It's going to be a good day. Very gradual, very gradual today. So shouldn't be too strenuous. Very excited. What do you reckon, Uncle? Hello! Get a bit of this India in the morning. Fucking this is better than any coffee you'll ever have. Far out. Best pick me up you'll ever see. How bloody good.
Let's have some fun.
That sun hitting your skin, baby. Fucking so good. It's so good. This is gorgeous. How bloody nice. On the way back, there's talks of us trying to go in for a dip on one of these rivers. It'd be very cold, being glacier water, but I'm sure it'll be good for you. But yeah, we're gonna have to run it, definitely, no doubt. coming into this beautiful town. Oh wow, it's absolutely gorgeous here. Cannot get a better day. Cannot get a better day. The vibes are up. Everyone's happy. Everyone's peaceful. Hey, bud. Aren't you gorgeous? How is that? Wow, you are. King of the castle. King of the castle. He's got his little throne, doesn't he? That's actually sick. How good. Woo! That's good. That's actually sick. That's so good.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Fuck yeah. How is it?
Fucking beautiful.
What do you reckon, Sammy? How good?
How lucky are we?
How fucking lucky are we, boys? We've just been walking through the mountains for, I don't know, probably another 20-30 minutes. And you can just see a village right on that mountain face. And then obviously beautiful, beautiful scenes behind it. But it's crazy because, like I was saying, it feels like there shouldn't be anything further up. Like you're just walking and trekking through, like along the mountain face, you know, and obviously beautiful scenes and good views. But last thing I expect to see is another well-structured village a K or so further or 2 Ks further. It's kind of mind-blowing how they've managed to get infrastructure in such an isolated place. Crazy. Hold on. Yeah. On. Hey! Keep going. Keep going, Uncle. What are you doing?
Straight to the chin. Ow.
4,000 K mark, baby. The clouds are rolled in after lunch and it's brought the cold air in as well. So put the legs back on the pants because, yeah, it's starting to get very cold. But it's still beautiful. Just can't see the peaks anymore. But the valley and the openness of the valley, the clear openness of the valley is very, very nice. Had a bit of feedback and it seems to be the recurring feedback is that I swear too much. That's just can't be right. People must have me confused. I never swear, but if I was to swear, like how else do you describe how beautiful these places are without dropping a bit of swearing? But I'm trying my best. I just get too excited. And when Jake gets excited, he fucking swears, alright? Leave a boy alone. Let a guy live, eh? Let a guy live. But she's very beautiful. I'm very lucky. And I'm very, very happy. And everyone that reckons I swear too much, fuck you, man. Fuck you. But I still love you. Bye-bye. getting a little bit cold now. Had to belly up for a bit. The old nose was getting a bit cold. But we're nearly there. I think maybe another hour and a half to go and park up for the day. Should be good. The incline's not too bad. Like, it's been pretty gradual, pretty steady over the whole walk so far, which is really good and makes it easy. I think the next lot of trips after today are gonna start to build some character, I think, which is good. You know, when shit gets tough, that's when you know who you are. This is our village for tonight. It's very homely. It's very, very cute, very homely. And we're here for tonight and tomorrow night because tomorrow is an acclimatization day. So we will trek tomorrow morning up and then trek back down and stay again. So it'll be a nice relaxing day again tomorrow, which is good. Then after that, we are on to the next place, which I'm not actually sure what it is because I didn't look at the itinerary, and I still won't, because I just live it day by day. The boys normally tell me, but no, it's good. I'm having so much fun, learning a lot about myself and other people, which is really cool. A lot about culture, a lot about the environment I'm in, and yeah, it's sick. We've just made it to our accommodation. Ew, how good. How bloody good. Well, time to go inside and have a cup of hot chocolate, I think. I'm fucking due for a hot chocolate. Love me hot chockies with the boys. Chocolate brownie looks fucking mad. They all look so good, bro. Yummy lunch. Me and the boys are trekking through the village. We just had a nice coffee and cake at the bakery. Very good bakery. But we're actually seeing... How are you, mate? We're just seeing the first bit of snow right now. Obviously can't see it on the camera, but yeah, very, very light. But it's fucking cold up here, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, very nice stroll through the town.